Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to increase Cash App's sending limits. Alright, it's going to be a quick one as usual, so let's get straight into it. Now, the best way to increase Cash App's sending limits is to complete identity verification early and maintain consistent account activity. Submit your legal name, your date of birth, as well as any requested identification exactly as requested. Avoid mismatched details as errors can lead to delay approval. Use your accounts regularly for normal transactions instead of sudden spikes in activities, as these can trigger reviews. Link a verified bank account or debit card in your name to strengthen account credibility. Keep your account free from disputes and chargebacks. Once verified and stable, Cash App automatically raises your sending limits, allowing larger and more frequent transactions without interruption. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.